Yo, listen, creating an AppLovin account ain't what it used to be. Back in the day, you just dropped an email. Boom, ads rolling, money flowing. Now, these guys check your info like you're applying to NASA. Let me break it down for you. In this video, I'll show you the real way to open an AppLovin account, how to avoid rookie mistakes. And at the end, I'll tell you how to get a verified account so you can skip all the stress and start making money. Let's go. Part 1, creating the account, the smart way. Go to applovin.com, click on sign up. Now fill the form, name, email, password. But here's the trick. Don't use your random nickname like KingXBuy69. Use a pro-looking company name like Next Gen Apps or BD Innovations. AppLovin checks these details, so act smart from the start. Once you sign up, verify your email. Now you're inside the dashboard. But wait, don't add an app unless you actually have one. Trust me, that's how people get flagged. If you don't have an app, don't fake it. Part 2, why you get rejected or suspended. Number 1, you use fake info. Number 2, you added a dummy or fake app. Number 3, you created multiple accounts from the same device. Bro, AppLovin tracks everything. Your IP, device ID, browser fingerprint. Try to act smart, you'll get banned. Simple. Part 3, so what's the solution? If you're serious about earning and don't want to waste time, just get a verified AppLovin account. Clean, approved, working. I sell verified accounts myself. Plug and play, no headache. Want to grab one? Inbox me or Gmail me at mdseaym35@gmail.com. Final words. If this video helped you, even a little, hit that like button. Share this with a friend who's trying to start with AppLovin, and subscribe